welcome back to my garage. Today we are lowering the back of this T5 transporter. So we're pulling the springs out of it, putting new springs in. I've already disconnected one of the shock absorbers on this side. Got to disconnect this one, and then theoretically as soon as I've done that we can lower the swinging arms. Now what I've got is the shell is supported with 2 axle stands on the actual chassis swinging arm mounting points on by the seals, so they're on them. And then I've got 2 jacks, one underneath each swinging arm on the actual anti-roll bar bush mounting plate. So once I've got this undone, theoretically we could lower the arms and pull the springs out. So let's see if we can undo this one first. Woo! Cool. That was on there. That was on there, man. Right, now we've got them. Tap that out. Now what I've got, see, that's out. Now what I've got is the actual jacks have got the weight of the arm. So I put the jacks under, literally pumped them once, just took the weight off the bottom of the shock absorbers, off the actual shock absorbers themselves. Shock's a bit shake. Right, now what we're going to do, we're going to lower the arms, pull the springs. Let's do it. The only thing you've got to be careful when you do this as well, you've got to make sure you don't stretch the pipes. So you've got to keep an eye on the old brake pipes as you lower it down. And make sure you ain't overloading them. Right, so this one can come down to about, we'll go with this one first, down to about there. I'm going to lower this one down. To about there, so yep. Same on this side. Right, there we go. Let me pull a spring out, shall we? Oh, there's some big old spring in there. But this is a heavyweight one. This one's a heavyweight. Right, so what we got to do now is put that through there. God, and then that one. Oh, where's the bar? Come on. God, these rubbers are pretty much dead. They're the only thing holding it in. Come on. There she goes. Oh, that held on to there. I hold on to that, didn't it? Oh. Yeah, that one didn't want to let go of that. We got our new springs. These are them. Made in German, Vogtland. Where's the other bit? There it is. So you're saying this is a bit of a pain in the bum doing it single-handedly. There's that side. Yeah, paint it in the bottom. That one out. Right, so bottom plate off. Ooh, they are well rubbed through on there. Oh, where's the stop? There it is. And on that one, top plate off. Some hairy old springs, them ones. Look at them beasties. Right, here we go. So, new spring. And then that goes in there, up into it. That looks good. That looks good. So you'll find that the top cups have like a final. You'll see they've got like a keyway in them that the springs have to be wound down into. But they're in now, as you can see. Now we've got to lift the arms back up, which will put tension on the springs, and then we're good. We've got to put the bolts back in, tie it up, and we're done. There we go. So that's good. So now, get our bolts. One bolt. And there you have it. 2 springs fitted. Rear of this bus is now lowered. It's exactly the same when changing normal coil springs as well. The only thing you've got to be careful of, obviously, if you have got one snap coil spring, you have to kind of let both arms off to be able to get one of the springs out, because the anti-roll bar will hold the other leg up. So you have to let both shocks off to be able to pull down one leg to get the spring out, and you'll notice as you're pulling down the one leg, the other leg will be following it. Simple as. But I hope that was useful information. And helps you do the work on the back of your bus. If it is, please like and subscribe, and simple as, and watch some of my other videos. I will also say that there are some torque wrench settings that need to be put in here as well, so I'll write some of them down in the comments below. Right, thank you very much, and thank you for watching. All I've got to do now is just tighten these 2 bolts up, and she's done. Simple as. So imagine, flick that on the do up, and on there, And pretty much job done. Right, thanks for watching.